Okay, so as I have talked yesterday that next day I will teach you, I will talk about how to talk with the stranger, right?
So this is the topic for today, na? How to
Huh.
talk in.
Yeah, I'll guide you to like suppose you are meeting with the new people, how you can start the conversation, what should you talk for the long conversation because we don't know the person, so we don't know what to talk, right? But with the friends, we have a long gossips, 2 hours, 3 hours without any topics is going on. So yeah, so let me start. So there are some tips and tricks to making the conversation with the stranger. So first,
Yes.
if you are meeting in a physically, okay. So obviously
Yes.
start
Yes.
with a smile, okay? It's a normal thing. When will you give a smile? So it will create a positive environment automatically, and it will give the vibe to the others. Yeah, you are kind of a good person, and it shows your intention, like how can I say intention to talk with the people, how eagerly wanted to talk with the person. So start with a smile. And next thing is that like when you meet the person, start asking the questions. As I have yesterday mentioned that start 5 marks question, not a 2 marks or 1 marks questions. So asking the question, one of the way you can interact with the stranger. Because if you will not speak anything, you will not ask the question, how will you interact? How will you get to know about each other? Correct? Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Got.
Okay. Next, be positive because in our mind always negative thought is going on. "Arey, if I'm going to talk, he will reply me or not. What will be happen? I will like nervousness and so many things. So be always positive, which will make the impression towards the person with whom you are going to talk. So it will create the positive environment, and automatically it will help you to have a long conversation. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. And next is that, like, suppose you are having the conversation with someone on the phone call, even in the video call, even in the real life, listen carefully. As I have mentioned yesterday, in a communication, 45% is the major role of the listening. So listen carefully, person, what they are saying. If you are not able to understand, ask them to say again. Okay. So when will you listen them clearly, then you will able to reply them. Okay.
Yeah.
And next, obviously, you have to respect the person. Even the person is bigger, greater than you. How can I say that? Elder than you, younger than you. Give the respect. If you will give the respect, they will give you the respect. And will the respect, you will get a confidence. So there is a one line: give respect, take respect. Okay. So if you will not give the respect to the others, they are not going to give you back. Okay. So be aware of that. Got it?
Yeah.
And another most common point is that, like, if you are having the conversation with someone and try to find the interesting topic which you both are interested. Suppose you are talking about the railway and someone are interested about the aeroplane. So the conversation will not go long. So find something interesting. Like suppose you used to read the books, that person also. So find the common what a common interest. Movies, music, and like reading books, study, technology, anything, like find a common interest where you can have a conversation. So that conversation will be not a boring and even not will be the less conversation. You can have a broad conversation, broad topics you will get, and how can I say the long time you can have the conversation. Got it? Okay, so for the conversation started, like suppose you wanted to start the conversation. So for the starting the conversation, we have to be a open-minded because if you will be not a open-minded person, you can't have a conversation with anybody. Okay, you have to be open-minded, frank. Be frank. I know where there are so many person who are introvert who are not wanted to talk, but if you have needed, if you are hungry, you need a food. So you have to be open-minded and brought your thoughts and information so you can have a peacefully conversation with someone and you will not mind it the people are saying, just ignore it. Got it?
Yeah. Got it.
And there are some question I'm going to tell you how you can start the conversation with the stranger. So suppose you met someone. So in the starting you can talk, yeah, tell me about yourself. So it will be the long, like suppose 1 minute they are giving your introduction. So in the introduction you have to take care of that. what kinds of thing you can ask within that. Like suppose someone talk about in the introduction, yeah, I'm working in the company, I'm working in I'm studying in the college. So you can ask about the college, yeah, where is the college located and what kinds of studies they provide. So start, how can I say, long conversation, long question. So they will keep speaking, keep on speaking, they will not out of the words to speak with you. Okay. And next question you can ask that, yeah, what you are doing nowadays. It means working on anything exciting lately, means like something you are working very exciting. Like suppose someone will ask to me nowadays, oh yeah, what you are working. So I can say that, yeah, it's my holidays going on nowadays. I used to have a group discussion with my friend. So from there you will get a topic, yeah, what kinds of discussion, yeah, English group discussion, what do you discuss. So like that you will get a questions. Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And next question, you can ask like highlight about your week, what you have done in your week, what kinds of activity you done, what things you learned from that week, about the day's activity. Like yesterday, I was asking, yeah, what have you done a whole day? How was your day? What was the experience? What did you learn in a day? So something like that. You can start with that. Then, yeah, what you are going to do this weekend, because on the weekend people have so many plans, like on the Saturday or Sunday, because that day is the holiday day. So most of the people have a plan to go there and here, spending time, movies and all. So you can ask those kinds of questions. So it will give you the long conversation. You will not feel bored. And even as I mentioned, what about the highlight day? Okay, fine. Next, childhood memories. People are very, excited to share about their memories. So you can ask, what is your childhood memory? What is the best part of your life? What things you learn? What is the best advice would you like to give the people? And like any memories which you wanted to share, where you learn something from your life, and so many things. Like you can ask about the past thing, because people are, very interested to talk about themselves. Don't how can I say, try to speak about yourself, try to know about themselves, because people are nowadays interested to talk. लोग ना अपने बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं, लोग चाहते हैं कि लोग उनको वैल्यू दें. Okay, so you can ask about them as much as you can, and people are interested to talk about that, and they will give you each and every introduction. Got it?
Yes, brother. Yes.
Huh. So yeah, like this was the all the presentation. This was some question and some tips where you can follow the what follow, and you can have the conversation with the stranger. So you can use the applications and go and start these tips and tricks and have the conversation with the people. Yeah, that is all about this presentation. And yeah, now you can talk what you wanted to talk.
It's
Okay.
spoken that,
So I just wanted to play a one game if you guys are interested. Otherwise, no problem.
okay, okay.
Okay, bro, we are interested.
Game is like that. Okay. I'll we will take one word like A to Z. Okay. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Okay. But you don't have to use something like that. Okay. You have to use some kinds of different words, and it will be keep on going. Okay. Like suppose I said A for suppose aeroplane. Then Lucky will say A for aeroplane, B for basket. Then you have to say Amar A for apple, sorry, A for aeroplane, B for basket, C for something else. So you have to continue from starting to end. So let's see how many have don't write the word, and how many have the memories power, and we will go until we have remembered the words. Got it? The rule?
Okay, okay.
Bro,
Huh.
But
this
we
game
will
is very
play with
difficult,
that.
bro.
But we
No
will play with
problem.
that now.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay, I'll start with the aeroplane. Okay, now Manjunath.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane ball.
Okay, aeroplane ball. Donkey, elephant, fish, goat.
Okay, Lucky. Where are you, brother? Can you hear me?
Wait, bro. Aeroplane,
Yeah.
Hmm?
ball, classmate, donkey, elephant, fish,
Hmm?
goat,
Hmm?
helicopter.
Helicopter. Okay.
Okay.
Amar.
Aeroplane, ball.
Hmm?
Yeah. Aeroplane, ball,
Hmm? Hmm?
classmate,
Hmm?
donkey,
Hmm.
uh,
Elephant.
elephant,
Huh?
helicopter. Yeah, helicopter, and
You have missed fish, goat. You lose the game.
fish got. Oh, I love the game.
Okay, keep on going. Okay. Helicopter then.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay. For me, aeroplane, ball, classmate, donkey, elephant, fish, goat, helicopter, ice cream. J for Johnny.
Aeroplane,
Hmm.
ball,
Hmm.
classmate, donkey, elephant, fish,
Hmm.
goat,
Hmm.
helicopter,
Huh?
ice cream,
Huh?
Johnny,
Huh?
king,
K for king.
king.
Okay. Fine. Okay, Amar.
Okay. Aeroplane,
Hmm.
ball,
Hmm.
classmate, donkey, elephant,
Hmm.
god, helicopter, ice cream,
Hmm.
and king,
Okay.
uh, and lion.
Okay, lion. Okay.
Yeah.
You have missed the fish. You have missed the ice cream.
No, I said
Johnny.
fish, yeah.
I think you
Johnny,
missed
I said,
John.
yeah.
Okay, ice cream
No,
you
no,
have
no.
missed, I think. Goat and fish you have missed. Okay, confirm.
God and M for money, and N for Nagu, O for opera,
Hmm.
P for paracetamol,
Hmm.
Q for queen, R for rabbit, and S for Sai Pallavi, T
Hmm.
for TV, U for umbrella, and V for vulture, and W for woman,
Hmm.
and X for Xmas tree.
Xmas train. Okay. Aeroplane, ball, classmate, donkey, elephant. Fish, F, G. Goat, a helicopter, ice cream. Johnny, king. Lion, money. Nagu, opera, paracetamol. Queen, rabbit. Sai Pallavi, TV, umbrella, vulture. Women and women WX X-ray tree, right? X-ray tree and Y for X Y Y Y Y Y Y Y for yellow. Okay.
AITM ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆ BITM ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫೈನಲ್ ನಾಳೆ.
Oh, hello,
ಬ್ರೋ,
Lucky.
What was the last
ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್,
one?
Huh?
ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್,
No, no.
Huh?
What was the last one?
ಬಾಲ್,
Okay, okay, okay.
Yellow. Are finished? Game is finished. Finish it.
Okay, okay.
ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್, ಫಿಶ್, ಡಾಂಕಿ,
Hmm.
ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್, ಜಾನಿ,
Hmm.
ಕಿಂಗ್, ಲಯನ್, ಮನಿ,
Hmm.
ನಾಗು, ಒಪೆರಾ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸಿಟಮಲ್, ಕ್ವೀನ್, ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್, ಸಾಯಿ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ, ಟಿವಿ,
Hmm.
umbrella, V for vulture,
Hmm.
woman,
Hmm.
Xmas tree,
Hmm.
Z for zinc.
Jink. Okay. Nice.
Why for?
Okay, game is over, man. And I don't know, you guys learned something from it. Is the memory game, okay? And tomorrow I will give the hard word, okay? The criteria of the word, because today we don't had any criteria, so we get a random word. Tomorrow will be the criteria, so it will be very hard to think. Okay, got it?
Okay, brother, got it.
And then anything else? Otherwise, I'll finish it.